Welcome back. We solve for the value of m. Given this exponential equation, we have 3 raised to power m plus 9 plus 3 raised to power m plus 14. This is supposed to give us 244. So what is the value of m? Solution. Okay, so we have 3 raised to power m plus 9 plus 3 raised to power m plus 14. This is supposed to give us 244. Okay, so we proceed as follows. We'll have 3 raised to power m plus 9 plus 3 raised to power m. Now this 14 we can write it as m plus 9 plus 5. Okay, now if you say 9 plus 5, it's supposed to give you 14. Okay, so applying the indices property that states that a raised to power n plus m, this is supposed to give us a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. So we apply this identity to our equation, so that we'll have 3 raised to power m plus 9 plus 3 raised to power m plus 9 multiplied by 3 raised to power 5. This is supposed to give us 244. Okay, now given that 3 raised to power m plus 9 and 3 raised to power m plus 9, they are common, we can factor out 3 raised to power m plus 9, and then we'll have 1 plus 3 raised to power 5. All of this is supposed to give us 244. Okay, now if you say 3 raised to power 5, you're going to have 3 raised to power m plus 9. If you say 3 raised to power 5, this is 243. So you'll have 1 plus 2, 243. This is supposed to give us 244. Okay, so you'll have 3 raised to power m plus 9. This is equal to 1 plus 243. This is supposed to give us 244. Okay, this is supposed to be equal to 244. So we divide both sides by 244, divide the other side by 244. Okay, so if you simplify, you're going to have 3 raised to power m plus 9. This is equal to 1. Okay, this is equal to 1. If you simplify here, this is 1. Okay, and remember, we have the indices property that states that a raised to power 0, this is exactly equal to 1. Okay, so we can have a base of 3. That is, if you say 3 raised to power m plus 9, this is the same as saying 3 raised to power 0. Okay, and you can see that the bases are common. That is, we mean if you have a raised to power n, this is the same as a raised to power m. That means that n is equal to m. Okay, so we apply that property. So that means m plus 9, this is equal to 0. Okay, because since the bases are common, we consider the powers. So that means that the value of m is equal to minus 9. Okay, that means that the value of m is equal to minus 9. So what we do is we verify. Okay, let's verify if this is true. We have 3 raised to power m plus 9 plus 3 raised to power m plus 14. This is 244. So we'll have 3 raised to power our m is minus 9. Okay, so we substitute minus 9 plus 9 plus 3 raised to power negative 9 plus 14. This is supposed to give us 244. If you say 3 raised this negative 9 plus 9, this will give us 3 raised to power 0. Then plus 3 raised to power, this is negative 9 plus 14, this will be equal to 5. So you have 3 raised to power 5. Everything is supposed to give us 244. But again, applying this identity that a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1 plus 3 raised to power 5 this is supposed to give us 244. Okay? This is 1 plus 243, which is equal to 244. Okay, therefore you can see clearly that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, that means that 244 is equal to 244, and that affirms that the value of m, is equal to -9. Okay, that affirms that the value of m is equal to -9. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.